The OnePlus 13T has made a surprise entry into the flagship conversation, and it's coming in hot. Despite earlier statements from OnePlus that they would be releasing any more T-branded flagships, it looks like plans have changed. The OnePlus 13T is now officially in the spotlight, and its recent Geekbench benchmark leak shows us exactly why it's not just another mid-cycle refresh. It's ready to take on the biggest names in the game, the Galaxy S25 Ultra and the iPhone 16 Pro Max. According to a fresh Geekbench listing, the OnePlus 13T, appearing under the model number PGX110, is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, the same flagship processor used in Samsung's top-tier Galaxy S25 Ultra. The listing also confirms the presence of a whopping 16 gigabytes of RAM, which already gives it an edge over both the iPhone 16 Pro Max and even the S25 Ultra, neither of which offer that much memory. In the benchmark scores, the OnePlus 13T scored 2,900 in the single-core test and an impressive 8,934 in the multi-core test. To put that into perspective, the OnePlus 13 scored just a bit higher with 3,026 and 9,036 respectively, which means the 13T is right up there in terms of raw power. That's more than enough to classify this phone as a true flagship in every sense. Now let's compare these results with its rivals. The iPhone 16 Pro Max scored 3,331 in the single-core test and 8,106 in the multi-core. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S25 Ultra, with its overclocked Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, managed 3,137 in single-core and 9,769 in multi-core. So yes, the OnePlus 13T falls slightly behind in single-core performance compared to both of these titans, but in multi-core performance, it actually beats the iPhone 16 Pro Max. That's impressive, considering Apple's chipsets are usually dominant in synthetic benchmarks. Still, as with any benchmark leak, it's important to remember that these scores don't always reflect real-world performance. All three phones are ultra-fast, ultra-responsive, and built for power users. But the fact that the OnePlus 13T is performing at this level is a huge win for OnePlus, and for consumers looking for top-tier performance without the premium pricing usually associated with Apple or Samsung. Earlier, the 13T's Antutu scores also leaked, hinting again at strong performance, and now with Geekbench adding to the evidence, it's clear this device means business. On top of that, reputable leaker Digital Chat Station recently shared what may be our first real look at the phone. A 6,000 mAh battery. Leaks suggest it could go up to 6,200 mAh. That's absolutely massive and could offer serious longevity, especially when paired with the power-efficient Snapdragon 8 Elite and Android 15. All signs point to the OnePlus 13T being a serious contender for the title of 2025's best flagship. It's going head-to-head with the Galaxy S25 Ultra, which, while still powerful and refined, doesn't bring a huge leap forward this year. And on the Apple side, the iPhone 16 Pro Max, despite strong performance, is facing controversy, especially with delays in the rollout of its promised AI-powered Siri upgrades. So if OnePlus can get the pricing right and deliver a flagship experience that competes, or even beats, its more expensive competitors, the 13T might just be the underdog that steals the spotlight in 2025. Only time will tell, but for now, the benchmark battle is heating up, and the OnePlus 13T is looking more and more like a serious player.